For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare. The South Wairarapa District Council held an extraordinary public meeting to seek approval for an increase on the Wāhinga Centre project cost and loan amount. Council approved a total project cost of $5.33 million, which includes a contingency of $200,000. The strengthening aspect of the project is financed by way of a loan. Repayments will be less than anticipated, even though the loan amount is higher. A record attendance of 32 countries at next month's World Handling and World Cheering Championships points to a strong future for the sport. That's the view of the World Cheering Council Chairman Brent Gare. On all four previous occasions when the World Championships have been held in New Zealand, they've been hosted by Golden Cheers in Masterton. Gare, who's closely involved in the organisation of the annual Golden Cheers, said the break in tradition was positive, saying we held the champs in Masterton in 2012. Golden Cheers felt that 2017 was too close, and I think it's tremendous it's being held in one of the regions of New Zealand. And in sport this weekend, we'll see the Giants host the Kirripuni Sports Bar Anniversary Tournament, held over 2 days, and in its 15th year, 8 teams will compete, with the Giants kicking the tournament off at 10 a.m. on Saturday, playing at 2 Saturday and 10 a.m. Sunday before the finals.